Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We're back again, and what I'm doing this time around is, hang on, before I start anything, the quality might be a little bit different, okay, because I've left my camera at home. I'm doing this off my camera phone, the old one, the old camera phone, so it might not be in 4K, it might be just like a 1080p, but you know what, hey ho, you know, let's we can live with that, right? So what we're doing now is we've got a Vauxhall Astra on a 2016-17 Vauxhall Astra, one of the later ones, and we're gonna go ahead and do the inner CV boot. That is the inner CV boot, the drive shaft boot, the inner one that goes into the gearbox, right? We're gonna go ahead and replace the boot on that one. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. It should be same on both sides. I'm doing the passenger side. I'm in the UK passenger side. It should be exactly same on the driver side. Yeah, let's do it. First, I've jacked. Well, first things first, I've sent the car up on the ramp, as you can see there. I'm taking the wheel off. If you're doing it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. Make sure you get the axle stands on there. Make sure you put a block on the back so it doesn't roll back by chance or anything. And yeah, we're going to take the wheel off. 19mm, that's what you need, 19mm socket. If you've got a breaker bar, you know, the impact gun, whatever you got, we need the wheel off. Let's go. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this hub nut off, the center nut off. You need a 32mm socket. Take that off and we'll go from there. Right, okay, next thing what we're going to do is we've just took the hub nut off, the center nut off, remember, right, okay, 32mm. So what we're going to do is we're going to go round to this side. I've already took it off. Eagle-eyed views out there, you're going to say, oh, it's so loose and everything. I've already took it off. 18mm spanner, that's what you need, an 18mm spanner. And then basically just take that off, counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. We're going to take the ball joint nut off. Okay, we're going to take that off. I'll get back at you guys in a minute. Right, okay, the nut is off. The next thing what we're going to do is, I've already hit it. You're going to get a ball joint splitter if you've got a ball joint splitter, but with a ball joint splitter, 9 times out of 10 you damage the rubber here, the gator here. So you don't want to mess about with that. So what you do is basically we just hit it here with a hammer, and it has separated, as you can see there. So all you do is get a big hammer, give it a few hits there, right, and then basically that should, as you can see there, come off. It'll come down, get it off the hub totally, and we'll go from there. Right, okay, after we've done that, as you can see there, the ball joint is out of the hub. If we push that, right, okay, and give that a little tap here, okay, I did tap it, it did go in, as you can see there, it's moving. Right, that should go out. What we're going to do is we're going to push the hub that way, and then obviously the CV joint will come out. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is, don't look into that, I just took the clip off, you know, I thought maybe I can just take the, you know, it might have a 3-prong bearing in it, and you know, the drive shaft might come out, but don't look into that. What we're going to do is, obviously we took the hub off and everything, the ball joint off the hub and everything, that's all okay. What we're going to do is we're going to go to this side and just going to ping this drive shaft off, give it a little hit there, or just ping it off, that should come off. You might get a bit of oil coming out from here, from the gearbox. The thing is, what you do is, I don't want you guys going draining the oil. All right, whatever comes out, just catch the oil, and then we can just refill it again. Okay, most likely, I think it hasn't got a filler plug, so we just fill it through the reverse light switch or something like that. Right, so so basically, what we do is we're gonna ping that off, and we'll go from there. Catch the oil, the gear oil, and yeah, let's go. Right, okay, guys, as you can see there, it's separated from the gearbox. I just give it a little pry out, it'll come out. The gear oil is draining. I'm draining it into there. Whatever comes out, that's what I'll put in. The gear oil looks absolutely fresh, brand new. Okay, so we'll just reuse that again. If you want to, you can top it up with a brand new oil, but that's what's come out of it. It looks absolutely clean, fantastic. Right, we'll wait till it stops, and then we'll pull the drive shaft out, and then hopefully go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a circlip pliers, whatever you've got, and we're going to spread the circlip, which is right here. Just make it out there. that little clip there. I'll need 2 hands to do that, so I'm going to spread the clip like that, as you can see. Spread the clip and take the joint off. Happy days. Don't look into any of this. I know it's a mess in the garage and everything. Don't look in, I need to tidy up. All my tools, everything are on the bench and everything. Yeah, we'll tidy up, don't worry. So what we'll do is, as you can see there, the clip's moving. Okay, so I'll take that clip off, circlip off. So basically spread the circlip and the joint should come straight off. Let's go. Right, okay, so we've got our CV boot here. Eagle-eyed viewers out there, you might be thinking it's a stretch boot. I'll be straight honest with you, I can't find the original one. Well, we can find it, we need to order it in and everything. But this will do the job. It's a normal round boot. If you want, get the original one, or a stretch boot will do the job. All it needs to do is just prevent the grease from coming out. So we'll put that on like that, get the grease in there, more grease, and then yeah, basically just put it back on in reverse order. Let's go. The shaft on there, it's not on totally. If you want to, you can get a rubber mallet and give it a little tap, or if you get it on the splines properly and just give it a wiggle, boom, there we go. That should go on. But make sure you get the splines, everything lined up, because you don't want to get them not lined up and then tap it in or whatever, damage everything, damage the drive shaft. So now all we do is put it in, put that on there, get the clip on there, back on the car, reverse order. Let's go. Right, so there we have it, guys, all done and dusted. I've got the CV boot on, the inner CV boot is on. All we do now is we're going to put it back on the car, refill it up with oil. Let's go. Okay guys, there we have it, all done and dusted. I'm going to put the wheel back on. Make sure you tighten the bottom ball joint up. Make sure you tighten the center nut up and everything. If you want the proper torque settings, go and check it out on the technical data online. You'll get the proper torque setting. What I use, big breaker bar, jam it up and everything, tighten it up. That's it, you're good to go. As for the oil, it hasn't got a filler plug, well, not that I know of. Okay, so reverse light switch, take the reverse light switch off, bang the oil in through the reverse light switch, and that's it, you're good to go. Whatever came out of it, just put that back in, or if you want, put some new oil in, equivalent amount, and yeah, that's it, you're good to go. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.